How to watch videos in higher picture quality in YouTube Android. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So first of all open up YouTube on a device. Now tap on profile at the bottom right corner. Then go to settings at the top right corner. Now simply scroll down and find data saving. You can find that option under video and audio preferences. Now simply tap on it. Now simply disable the toggle for data saving mode. Now simply go back. Now open up your video. Now tap on settings at the top right corner of the video. Now simply tap on quality. Now tap on advanced or simply tap on higher picture quality. You can also simply tap on advanced. Now select the highest resolution. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.